Hello, in this video I'm going to show the hidden sound settings on POCO M7. Okay, so let's open up the settings. Now scroll down until you find sound and vibration. Scroll down again, and in here let's open up the sound effects. In here you can select, do you want to use the Dolby Atmos or the Xiaomi sound. It is up to you. We also have the graphic Equalizer. Currently it's set on the custom and everything is set on the neutral, but we have other presets such as rock. You can see that the equalizer is changing. We have the jazz, the pop, classical, hip-hop, blues, electronic or metal. It is up to you which mode you want to use. Also, if you select the custom, you can manually adjust the equalizer into your own preferences, so if you are interested you can create your own preset. For now I will select everything on the defaults, just like that. Now I will go back. Down below we have the headphones remote buttons. You can control the volume level or control the music playback. We can pick one option, and we can also assign the buttons, but if you want to use it you'll have to connect your headphones. Down below we have the additional settings. We have the volume adjustment, where you can control the notification sounds, adjust media sound in multiple apps, and we have the multiple audio sources. So when it comes to the control notification sounds, if you enable that, you'll be able to adjust the volume of notification sounds separately. When you enable the second option, you'll be able to adjust sound for individual apps while multiple apps play audio simultaneously. And then we have the multiple audio sources. Don't adjust media volume during incoming notifications or while audio from other source is played. Down below we have the system sounds. Currently, as you take a look, everything is enabled. So we have the sounds for dial pad, we have the sound when locking the device, when taking screenshots, when uninstalling apps, when deleting items, and when charger is connected. It is up to you. If you want, you can turn off those things. You can keep them on. And the only thing that wasn't turned on is the tap sounds. So now I hope that you'll hear it. And now when I'm tapping on the screen, we can see a gentle sound, as you can hear, I hope. So now basically when I'm tapping on anything, I have this sound. Some people like that, some people don't. So if you want, you can keep that enabled or you can turn it off. It is up to you. For now, in my case, I'm about to turn it off. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.